we're gonna take a picture of how you cut the grass man's hair. And we're gonna listen to Tess scream while you do that. You're cutting the tips of his hair?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just giving him a small haircut?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a small haircut.
Not a big one? How do you use those scissors?
Huh?
How do you use those scissors? Will you put your thumb in the big hole or the small hole?
I put my thumb in the big hole.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks like it's in the small hole.
No, it's not.
And your fingers are in the big hole.
No, my thumb doesn't fit in that one.
Oh, okay.
Cause that one makes a lot of fingers.
Oh, it makes a lot of fingers?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good haircut you're giving your grass man.
Yeah.
What's his name again? What's his name again?
Mr. Grassman.
Oh, Mr. Grassman. I forgot. Are you gonna give him a buzz cut? Wait, what is your sister talking about? Look over at her. What are you talking about? Hi. I was just taking a picture of Tess. How come you're not cutting Mr. Grassman's hair?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
I was already watching the picture of Tess.
Okay.